Okay, how you doing? This is a follow-up from my previous video where I got the motor to spin, and now I hooked it to a generator that I bought cheap that had a blown motor, but the generator is still good. I may have to replace the bushings, or the brushes, because I messed with them because they were broken. So I tried to replace just the brush part, but I'm gonna buy the whole setup and then try them again. But anyways, I got the motor to work. It's powered off two 24-volt arrays of batteries. You can see them right here, too, with the wires going to my solar charger here, or charge controller, which charges the batteries. And I just have a switch to turn the motor on right there. And what I did is I just hooked the drill up into the actual power setting for the plugs of the generator. So, let's see what happens here. And there is the drill working constantly. So like I said, can be done. I need a little faster motor, so I'm not sure it's running at 3600 RPM, but it does work and spin the motor. So, alright, thanks for watching. Bye.